Hello, listeners, friends who are interested in Russian and those Russians who are interested in listening my English lectures. This is a very popular expression in conversational American English language. When a person is nervous, irritated, annoyed, they would say, "You drive me crazy." Or they say, "It drives me crazy." Like, for example, computer doesn't work or anything what is very irritating. So actually, if I translate it into Russian directly, "You drive me crazy", я должна сказать, I must say, "Ты меня сводишь с ума". You drive me crazy, direct translation is "Ты меня сводишь с ума". And actually in Russian, it's romantic. It sounds romantic. "Ты меня сводишь с ума", usually a man says to a woman or the other, vice versa. So we ended up here in romance. However, I have to translate in Russian this thought. This is what translators do. They translate exact thought, what the speaker wants to say, okay? So, "You drive me crazy" in Russian, something what makes you nervous, annoys you, irritates you, we would say "Меня это бесит". Меня это бесит. This is very conversational, not literary kind of. I have to explain here a lot, but I'm not going to because that's a different lecture. the verb бесит. Just remember like that. This is very conversational, not very formal. Okay, this is like half, not formal at all. Меня это бесит, but not very bad. I mean, not foul language. Absolutely not. This is regular conversational language. Меня это бесит. Меня. Кого? Меня will be genitive case, родительный падеж of personal pronoun я. Меня. The second syllable stressed. Меня. So 3 phrases here, which I'm going to give you, will start with this genitive case. Меня. Genitive case is extremely popular. And of course, our personal pronouns, declined by cases, and very important to understand and to pronounce correctly. Меня, very soft. Both syllables are very soft. Ня, меня. For example, English speaker would say me, will have tendency to have it harder, me, but it's not Russian. Russian is me, very, very soft. So press your lips very hard together, okay? Me, to get this softness. Меня. It's kind of like English me, you, me, him, this kind of thing. Меня. Меня это. Это, I always say, guys, this repeats here 4 times. It's easy to remember. It's a universal for everything, for all genders, for singular, for plural, for everything. Это may be anything. We can call, something plural, something singular, anything. Это is very beautiful, universal, demonstrative pronoun это. This. It drives me crazy. Меня это бесит. Like I say, это may be anything. Anything what person said, anything you see somewhere on the screen or anything. So this is very universal phrase, okay? Меня это бесит. The second phrase I'm showing to you here is меня. We start the same. Меня. Don't forget to stress on the second syllable. Меня. Это. Это, also 2 syllables, the first stress here, это, раздражает, 4 syllables, the third syllable stressed, раздражает. Раздражать is directly to irritate, to annoy. This is in Russian раздражать. So, меня это and even in the sound of it, we kind of can hear sense this irritation, right? Раздражает. Ж, you see, looks like a beetle, like an insect. Ж, Russian Ж is the same exact sound as in English, pleasure, measure. Okay, Ж. So English language has this sound. It does not have consonant for that, but we do. Меня это раздражает. Меня это раздражает. This is a direct phrase. It annoys me. It, anything, it, situation, you know. Меня это раздражает. Раздражает. The next one is мне. Кому? Мне. Мне is dative case. Кому is to whom? To me. Okay, to me. It is unpleasant. Неприятно. Мне это неприятно. This is very general, very not offensive to anybody. This is just for situation. This is an excellent phrase to have in your vocabulary. Мне, one syllable, have to pronounce everything, and soft in the end. Мне, мне, мне. So you go quickly from m, like mama. You go quickly to n, like negative, no, m, n, and ye. And together, мне. Мне. Мне, one syllable. Мне это, even we spell O, as you see. However, we pronounce A, because the biggest rule of Russian language is where O is written and it is not stressed. It is always pronounced A. This is how foreigners have accents, because they forget this rule. Even my experienced students who have taken years of lessons, they still out of language a little bit, and they keep forgetting, you know, and это, not correct, это. Мне это неприятно. Неприятно. 4 syllables again. Не is negative prefix. By the way, if we cut it out, negative, we will be left with very pleasant, приятно. Приятно is adverb for pleasant, pleasantly, приятно. So we have tons of stuff here. Мне это неприятно. It is very unpleasant to me. Мне это неприятно, неприятно. And the last one is меня это очень нервирует. Makes me nervous, nervous. In Russian, soft, нервирует, like virus, in Russian virus, so виру, we have these 2 syllables. Нервирует, the stress on the second syllable V. Нервирует, нервирует, нервирует. Меня это очень, очень is very, very, очень, 2 syllables. Very soft and like Spanish ñ, очень in the end, очень. Меня это очень нервирует. It makes me very nervous. Меня это очень нервирует. Thank you very much. I hope it was fun and interesting and useful. Bye.